Hi everyone! In your music theory workbooks, Unit 11 is about compound meter. This video has two lessons. The first one is on the differences between duple and triple meters, and the second lesson is on the differences between simple and compound meters. Let's start with duple versus triple meters. You already know that most music has a pulse called a beat, and beats are almost always grouped in twos or threes. 2/4 is an example of beats that are grouped into twos, and 3/4 is an example of beats that are grouped into threes. 4/4 is an example of music grouped into twos. Even though there are 4 beats in a measure, they are still grouped into twos, as you can see here. Music with beats grouped into twos, such as 2/4 and 4/4, is called duple meter. Music with beats grouped into threes, like 3/4, is called triple meter. The terms duple and triple describe how the beats are grouped. In the next lesson, we will look at how beats are divided. Up to now, we've been talking about music with beats that are divided into 2 equal parts. 2/4 has 2 quarter notes beats in a measure, and each beat is divided equally into 2 eighth notes. The quarter note beats in 3/4 and 4/4 are also divided equally into 2 eighth notes. But beats can also be divided into 3 equal parts. Look at this example in 6/8. There are 2 beats in a measure, and each beat is divided into 3 equal eighth notes. 9/8 has 3 beats in a measure, and the beats are divided into 3 eighth notes each. 12/8 has 4 beats in a measure, divided into 3 eighth notes each. Music with beats divided into 2 equal parts, like 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, is called simple meter, and the quarter note is divided into 2 equal eighth notes. Music with beats divided into 3 equal parts is called compound meter. 6/8, 9/8, and 12/8 have beats that are divided into 3 equal eighth notes. Both of these meters look very similar, but if you look closely, compound meters have dots after the whole note, half notes, and quarter notes. And when we look at how these beats are divided, we notice that simple beats are divided into 2 eighth notes, and compound beats are divided into 3. One of the best ways to look at the differences between simple and compound meters is to compare 3/4 versus 6/8 meters. Both of these meters have 6 eighth notes in a measure. 3/4 has 6 eighth notes grouped this way, and 6/8 has them grouped this way. So what's the difference? 3/4 has 3 beats divided into 2 equal parts. 6/8 has 2 beats divided into 3 equal parts, and we really notice them when we count. We count 3/4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and when we count 6/8, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and we hear that it sounds different and feels different too. Now read lessons 11.1 and 11.2 in your workbook and complete the exercises for these lessons. In the next lesson, we will look at the time signatures for compound meters. My name is Christopher Selby. Thank you for watching this tutorial on music theory for the successful string musician.